Hello and welcome, and thank you so much for joining me in the Due Date Club and for downloading the app. You can start off by scrolling down the side where you will see that there is a tab with topics. We started off a list of topics, and I invite you to have a look through those and start the conversation, keep the conversation going, use it as a place to share the things that you've really enjoyed, as well as supporting other women. Circles and courses really is where all the action happens. So the circles is about finding the month that you are due in, and you are going to join that circle and any other circle that applies to you. There's several subgroups there as well. There are 3 courses available at the moment, and I invite you to dive in and get started and really enjoy all of that information, as well as the regular live monthly events. When you click on those, they'll be added to your calendar, and I look forward to seeing you there. Get your profile going and then go in and modify your notifications so that you know what you're getting in your email or your messages and what you'd like to be kept up to date with, as well as being able to meet and chat with other members. Once again, thank you. And if you have any questions, please do reach out to me.